Avoiding Renovation Pitfalls, a guide for beginners. Hello, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very practical and useful topic, renovation pitfalls. Whether you're dreaming of updating your home or simply curious about the process, understanding these common mistakes can save you time, money, and a lot of headaches. Let's explore what pitfalls are, especially in the context of renovations, and how to avoid them. Renovation pitfalls refer to the common mistakes or problems that people encounter when they are renovating their homes. Renovations are exciting, but they come with their own set of challenges. A pitfall is a hidden or unexpected danger or difficulty. In the context of renovations, these can range from budget issues, hiring the wrong contractors, to underestimating the time it takes to complete the project. Understanding these pitfalls is the first step towards a successful renovation project. Here, we'll delve into some of the most common renovation pitfalls and how they can impact your project. 1. Underestimating costs. Often, people set a budget without considering unexpected expenses, leading to financial strain. 2. Hiring the wrong team. Not all contractors are created equal. Hiring someone based on price alone can result in poor workmanship and delays. 3. Ignoring permits. Skipping necessary permits can lead to fines and even having to undo your hard work. 4. Overlooking the details. Small details can make a big difference. Not planning for them can affect the functionality and appearance of your space. 5. Following trends blindly. Trends come and go. Focusing too much on what's fashionable rather than what suits your needs can lead to dissatisfaction. Knowing the pitfalls is one thing, but avoiding them requires strategy. Here are some tips to keep your renovation smooth and successful. 1. Set a realistic budget. Always include a buffer for unexpected costs. 2. Research and hire reputable contractors. Look for experience, reviews, and past work. 3. Understand the permit process. Know which permits you need and factor in the time to obtain them. 4. Pay attention to details. Plan your space meticulously, considering both aesthetics and functionality. 5. Choose timeless over trendy. Opt for designs and materials that will stand the test of time. Renovating your home is an exciting journey that can significantly enhance your living space. However, being aware of renovation pitfalls and knowing how to avoid them will ensure that your project goes smoothly, stays within budget, and results in a space you'll love for years to come. We hope this guide helps you on your renovation adventure. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.